In this video, I'll show you how to easily get travel insurance through World Nomads. Whether you're an experienced traveler or just planning your first trip, travel insurance is essential for protecting yourself against unexpected issues while abroad. I'll guide you through the simple process of purchasing travel insurance step by step, covering the website's interface and explaining all the options it provides. First, we will visit the World Nomads website. As you can see, it's very user-friendly. On the homepage, you can quickly access the quote form where you enter basic trip details like destination, travel dates, and age. After entering this information, you will be provided with a variety of insurance options. One of the advantages of World Nomads is its flexibility. You can extend coverage even if you're already on your trip. It's ideal for last-minute travelers. World Nomads offers coverage that can include medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and more, depending on the plan you choose. It's perfect for both short vacations and long-term travel. You also get access to 24-hour emergency assistance, which is an important factor in choosing reliable travel insurance. I recommend using ECTA Traveling for booking travel insurance, as they provide competitive rates and excellent service. World Nomads is a partner of ECTA Traveling, which ensures a smooth and trusted process for getting insured. You can find more information through the link in the description. Now let's talk about the pricing. World Nomads offers affordable plans based on the length of your trip and the destination. After filling in your details, you will see a breakdown of the different plans available, ranging from basic coverage to more comprehensive packages. You can compare these and choose what fits your needs best. You'll also see that the website provides clear explanations of what's covered in each plan, so there are no hidden surprises. While World Nomads is a reliable platform, one downside is that the insurance policies may not be available for every country. However, their support team is always available to help you find an alternative if needed. As you can see, the process of getting travel insurance through World Nomads is straightforward and convenient. Be sure to click the link in the description below to start your journey with ECTA Traveling, a service that I highly recommend for securing reliable travel insurance. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and follow the channel for more travel tips and insurance advice.